Jing'an.
Go check out the room.
Jing'an.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so we're here in Shanghai. This is called Jingan Temple, and it's a pretty cool spot. I'm just gonna walk around it and see what's all here. And there's a station right here, and a shopping mall, I guess. And this has a lot of different shops, and you can see the temple way up there. Yeah, I didn't know what to expect. It's quite beautiful. I had no idea what to expect. I thought it was going to be quite a bit smaller. There's actually quite a few tourists here too. I was just in Shanghai, which is another city south of here. It's about an hour and 45-minute flight. And there's hardly any foreigners there, so it's kind of strange to be back in an international city. Let's kind of go back over here. Now we can see the temple. I'm going to see if I can walk around the temple and just kind of explore and see what's all here. Yeah, it's pretty beautiful though. I kind of forget how beautiful the Shanghai temples are, or the China ones are. I used to live in Korea for a long time. Oh, that's kind of cool. You can see that there's a guy that was in this window right there. So wow, look at that. Beautiful. Statue there. Got some pretty nice streets. I haven't been in Shanghai in like, I guess the last time I was here was like 6 years ago, and I didn't see much that day. It was heavy pollution, but I don't see pollution at all today. And the other time before, it was like maybe 15 years ago, and I just stayed at the Bund. Walked around the Bund, which is basically where all the tourists are at, so this is all new. So yeah, it looks like a pretty beautiful temple. Try to go around the block. Okay. Here we go. All right. So we're just gonna take a stop here for a second. Take a look at this. That's beautiful. Wow. We're just gonna keep walking. I want to walk around the entire block with this temple. Then you get to see a slice of Shanghai at the same time, so it's a win-win situation here. So okay, I really like to ride on the sidewalks. So this is the guy riding on the sidewalk. I guess they don't have any space on the. Don't know why. Okay, so we're just gonna keep on walking down this street and see what we can see. There's another motorcycle on the sidewalk guy. So okay. is a busy street. Department stores. Cool symbolism. I don't know what it all means, but it's so just gonna walk and see what's around here. Okay. There we go. So it's gonna go around the block a little bit further. We're gonna see what we can see. So, okay. Kind of get to see the people and the structures, so it's part of the goal. It's pretty beautiful. Kind of see it. It's like a wolf, a dragon, I guess. Another guy on the sidewalk. This guy's on the road. Good job. I guess they can legally drive on the sidewalks, I guess, with motorbikes. I didn't realize that. Oh, I didn't realize this was an entrance either. So I'll just go inside, take a look around. Let's just see here. This can capture. I'm just gonna look through here. Look. Alright. Didn't realize this was such a beautiful place. I guess this is what the roof looks like. Little piece of roof there.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.